baby bite. Hey guys, so today we are going to make some banana bread, and so if you have some bananas that you forgot to eat, you can make this recipe. Let's begin with the ingredients. 3 large overripe bananas, 2/3 cup of neutral oil, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup of buttermilk, 3 large eggs, 2 1/2 cups of AP flour, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. Full list of ingredients are listed in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to work with our wet ingredients first. Crack in your 3 large eggs. Add in your neutral oil. Add in 2/3 cups of buttermilk. Keep stirring. Time for the dry ingredients. Add your brown sugar. White sugar. Remember, you can adjust the sweetness to your liking. Add 2 1/2 cups of flour. I like to do this one at a time just to make sure that it doesn't come out so lumpy. Add in your salt, baking powder, and baking soda. The trick here is not to overmix. We want to make sure that it is a fluffy banana bread, not flat. Alright, now here comes the fun part, mashing up the bananas. I'm just going to use a potato masher just to mash up the bananas. Make sure you mash it up enough so the texture almost looks like ooey gooey baby food. Throw that in with the rest of your batter and mix, mix, mix. This part is optional. If you don't like chocolate, don't put it in. I've rough chopped 1/2 cup of chocolate and we're gonna just mix that in. We're gonna throw the batter in the pan. I've lined it with some parchment paper. Then we're gonna throw it in the oven for 40 minutes. Test out your bread with a toothpick. If it's wet, it probably needs a few more minutes, but if the batter does not stick, then it's ready to be taken out of the oven. I'm so ready to have this comforting bread. I like mine with a little bit of cream cheese. P.S. I warmed it up a little bit in the microwave, so it's super spreadable like this. It's kind of like almost like whipped cream texture. Got my iced coffee. And we've got our banana bread that I kind of ate before filming, but I will try it out for y'all. It's so good. You're just gonna eat this with cream cheese, with butter, plain on its own. It is so tasty. Wash it down with some black coffee. So good. If If you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for me. And then let me know in the comments below, do you guys like sweet or savory breakfast? See you guys next week.